I'm looking for a pair of trousers.
What's your trousers size?
Sorry to have kept you waiting.
That's okay.
Sorry, I'm late.
No problem. I've only just got here myself.
I'm sorry about reading your messages.
Don't let it happen again.
How to ask people to do something for you?
Could you open the window, please?
Sure.
Could you make me a cup of tea, please?
Yes, of course.
Could you give me his phone number, please?
I'm sorry, but I don't know his number.
Could you look after my son tonight?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm working an evening shift today.
Would you mind moving your seat so my friend and I can sit together?
Sure.
Do you mind lending me some money?
I'm sorry, I'm broke. To have no money.
I'm looking for a pair of shoes to go with this dress.
How about these ones? My flight arrives at 7.
Would you like me to meet you at the airport?
My car is broken, so I came to work by underground today.
Do you want me to give you a lift home?
The suitcase is so heavy.
Let me carry it for you.
Your cake is really delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
You look gorgeous in this outfit. You have a great fashion sense.
That's very kind of you to say so.
Your presentation was great.
Thank you. I really needed that.
Jill has had a heart attack. She's just been taken to hospital.
How awful terrible.
I spent half an hour looking for my car key. It was so frustrating.
I can imagine.
It was nice to talk to you, but I've got to go now.
You too. See you around?
It was great to see you, but I must dash now.
It was good to see you too. Take care.
I should get going.
Okay, see you later.
I'm running terribly late.
Okay, see you around.
I hope we meet again soon.
Yes, let's keep in touch.
How do I get to the nearest metro station, please?
Go down this street till you get to the supermarket. Go past the supermarket and turn left. It's on your right.
Does this bus go to the city center?
No, it doesn't. You need the 23.
Is this seat taken?
I'm sorry, my wife is sitting here.
Where do I get off for the hospital?
At the next stop.
You've got a lovely house.
Thank you. Let me show you around.
Come into the living room and have a seat.
Your living room is very beautiful.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a cup of tea.
Can I get anyone anything?
No, thanks. We are full. The meal was delicious.
Are you done?
Yes, thank you. It was delicious.
Thank you for having us.
We are glad you could come. I hope you have a safe journey.
Thank you for inviting us. We had a great time.
Come back again. It was good to see you.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, of course. Can you enter your PIN, please?